guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have another video for you creating bubble nails. We're gonna go ahead and get started. What I did here is I applied 2 coats of black gel polish, and that's all I have done here. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it clean. So I'm gonna take a piece of napkin here and with some alcohol, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that nail clean. All right, and then what we're going to be doing next quickly here is we are going to create the magical mixture here. Now this technique is going around Instagram, so I just wanted to simplify it for you. So this is what you need to do. What you're going to do is you're going to get 2 big drops of your white nail polish or whatever color you prefer, and you're going to add, so that's 2 drops of the white nail polish. I'm going to add 1 drop of cuticle oil, and then I have some acetone here, and I'm going to be adding 2 drops to start off. 1, 2, and I'm going to take this old brush that I have, and I'm going to start mixing it together. So we're just going to mix, and you want to make sure that you do mix this very well, and I'll show you what you're going to start seeing. Okay, so we're mixing, and as you can see, there is some bubbles there already. I don't know if you can see that on camera there, but there's a couple bubbles there. But because I do want this to be more bubbly, I'm going to add 1 more drop of acetone, so that would make 3 drops total. Okay, again, we're gonna mix, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. As you can see, there's bubbles there, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding this mixture onto my nail, and what you want to do is just go ahead and add it wherever it is that you want your design to be. And I'm gonna tap it, and as you can see, once you're applying it, you have more bubbles coming up, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Okay, and like I said, there's another video where you can create the same thing using a soapy mixture. I have a video on that. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'm going to go ahead and link it up on the iCard. That way you can go ahead and look at that technique as well. But this is what we have now. As you can see, there's some bubbles there. I would call this more like a frothy type of bubble than an actual bubble. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cure this for I'm going to do 60 seconds. I want to make sure it's nice and cured. Okay, so that is the way that looks once it's out of the light. Hopefully you can capture that. Now what I'm going to do is, because I don't want to mess with those bubbles anymore, I am going to go ahead and apply a top coat at this moment. And then after I go ahead and apply a top coat, after this you can just create any other design that you would like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and top coat this and cure it, just because I don't want to mess with those bubbles anymore. Okay, and then we'll be back. Okay, so that's the way it looks after I have top coated it. And just to finish off this design here, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and wipe this nail down. Okay, I'm going to wipe it down. And then just to finish off the design here, I'm going to add some foil just to that's the way that looks right now. And then the last thing to do is just to go ahead and add a top coat. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds, and then my design will be finished. So yeah, I'll come back and I'll leave a picture of the finished design. But that would be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And then don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.